to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison. Today's video is going to be some outfit inspiration for how you can style Jordan 1 sneakers. So if you follow me on Instagram, I just got my first pair of Jordans. I'm so happy. I actually decided to get 2 pairs because I really wanted to add to my sneaker collection. Sneakers are my favorite thing about fashion, and especially Jordans. You just can never go wrong. They're such a classic, and they're also just very popular right now. I'll link the sneakers down below where I was able to get them. So how I got mine is just frequently checking the sites. So I would check StockX, I would check Go, I would check even eBay. eBay authenticates now, so you can definitely get sneakers there. So really I would have an idea of what color you want and then what size, so that you can just keep refreshing the page and looking for that sneaker. I decided to get the Royals, and they are the mids. I'm obsessed with the royal color. Like, that is my favorite color of Jordans personally, and I actually am a huge fan of the black base over the white base. I think the black is really unique. I don't see that a lot, and again, like, I don't have a very girly style, so I just think the black suits my personal style better. And my boyfriend Ryan actually has these, so I copied him and got a pair too, so that we can match, because I'm so annoying. The second pair I got are the Breds, and I love red. Red is literally my favorite color, if you can tell. I feel like I have pops of red everywhere. I got another pair of the black base because I wanted to be able to mix and match them, which I think is like a thing. People do that with Jordans. People have been doing that forever. So occasionally I want to wear like one red one on my right foot and then a blue one on my left. I think that's just so cool. So that is my main reasoning for getting these, but such a staple pair of shoes. You can never go wrong. And again, for spring, I really am just trying to add some color, so I thought this would be perfect. I got these in a size 5.5 youth. I am typically like a woman's 7, and I think they fit. I mean, they are a little snug. They're kind of more narrow than I wanted. I have kind of a wider foot, so just keep that in mind. But definitely get a youth size because they can be more affordable. I feel like when I first got them, I didn't really know how to style them. I was looking up like Pinterest inspiration and just finding things on Instagram that I liked, and I put together a few outfits for you guys so that you can see how I like to style them, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.